This one is about adding a simple wood texture to a simple object, starting off as ever with our cube. So I will tab into edit mode, select this surface, select the top surface, do a G, and just escape that, G and a Z to make sure it goes straight up. That's fine for that. We will then go into UV editing, and if I now on the right hand panel, I go back to Z and wireframe, so we can select all the vertices. So I'll pick the vertex select here, select all of these, and that does this unwrapping on this side. So now on the right hand side we're having U and Q projection. I don't really want a Q projection, I don't think. Do I? I don't damn well know. That's interesting. That's a bit different, isn't it? Okay, in any case, we go to the material tab. We do a base color. No, it's not really a base color. But anyway, image texture. And once we select base color as is image texture, we say open. Go to temp. Go to demo and some wood diff.png. And then if I say assign, I'm not sure that makes any difference, but anyway. If I now select on the left hand side here in the UV editing window, we have these same kind of thingies available. So we've got the vertex, the edge, and the face. So I think I am going to go for the vertex select and make sure all these are grabbed, and then I am going to scale them. If I scale them this way, that means that relative to the wood, it's going to look kind of spaced out and not very detailed. Whereas if I scale in, what does that mean? No, actually, that's probably the preferred way, I guess, to scale out, isn't it? And hit return there. And then over in the right hand window, we've got our Z, and now we're going to go back into our render view, and we've got this. Go away. We've got this nice piece of wood. I haven't applied any additional texture to it, so it's kind of low poly stuff, I guess, but that's good enough. Thanks.